Hello everyone! Today you're all lucky from all around the world. Watching our educational video means you're in the right place. Our primary goal is to help everyone speak English correctly because English is the center of the world. We have created over 70 daily educational videos including stories and dialogues between individuals. I hope you like them. Please support us by subscribing and following to improve your English skills. Below is an example of a conversation designed to help the learner listen carefully and understand words and phrases correctly. Teacher, good morning, class. Today we will discuss the concept of biodiversity. Can someone tell me what biodiversity means?
Student 1, is it like when there are a lot of different animals and plants in one place?
Teacher, that's right. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life forms within a given ecosystem. It includes different types of plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms.
Student 2, so, it's not just about animals?
Teacher, exactly. Biodiversity includes all living organisms from the smallest bacteria to the largest mammals. Now, can anyone give an example of a biodiverse ecosystem?
Student 3, the Amazon rainforest.
Teacher, spot on. The Amazon rainforest is one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, home to millions of species. Now let's move on to another term, habitat destruction. What does it mean?
Student 4, when humans destroy the natural homes of animals.
Teacher, sure. Habitat destruction occurs when natural habitats are altered, damaged, or completely destroyed, often due to human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, or pollution.
Student 5, like when they cut down trees to build cities?
Teacher, yes, that's a common example. Deforestation not only destroys habitats but also contributes to biodiversity loss. Now let's review. Can anyone define biodiversity and give an example?
Student 6, biodiversity is the diversity of life forms in an ecosystem, such as plants, animals, fungi, and different microorganisms. An example of this is the Amazon rainforest.
Teacher, perfect. What about habitat destruction?
Student 7, natural habitats are destroyed when humans damage or destroy natural habitats, such as when they cut down trees to build cities.
Teacher, excellent work, everyone. It is essential to understand these concepts to appreciate the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Keep up the great work. This talk is structured to engage learners in active listening and understanding key terms related to biodiversity and habitat destruction. Through repetition and reinforcement, learners are encouraged to understand and apply these concepts accurately.